Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. How are you all? I hope everyone are fine. And I hope everyone have enjoyed your Diwali happily and safely. Yes, children? Yes. Now, see your children, module 8. Module 8. Everyone open your part 2 textbooks. Part 2 workbooks, children. Part 2 workbooks, module 8. Here, module 7 is not there. See your children, government has removed some syllabus. Yes, there is lesson number 1, lesson number 7 and lesson number 12. Understood, children? These three from the textbook and from the workbook it is removed. So we will not read about that. Okay. Now, module 8. What is the topic here? Grammar topic. First, we are going into the grammar topic. Okay, children? Tomorrow I will tell you about the vocabulary part. Okay. Now, in the grammar, tenses are there. What are these? Tenses. Tenses means, children, in the previous class we have learned in the third class or in the fourth class like this. Yes. Now, see here. Tenses means, what are the tenses? First, before entering into the tenses, first we will learn about the verb. What are the verbs, children? Yes, the action words are called as verbs. Action words are called as verbs. Like now, what I'm doing, I'm teaching you. Teaching is a action. Yes, it is a verb. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm writing. Yes, then writing is a verb. Understood, children? Now, action words are called as verbs. In the verbs, we will have different types of verbs. See here, first mainly we'll learn the base verb will be there, normal what we are doing. The action words are called verbs. That is only called as a base verb. Okay, children? And we'll have the auxiliary verbs, means helping verbs. That are is, am, are, was, were. These are the auxiliary verbs. Understood, children? In this only, with the verbs only, the tenses will be formed. Okay. Now, what are the tenses we are having? We are having three types of tenses. What are that? Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Understood, children? What is present, what is past, and what is future? Here, present means what? Now what is going on? Present day situation is present. Means today you can tell us. For your example, I am telling today. Past means which is finished. Means 1 minute before which is happened. That is also a past only. Okay, children? But for you can understand clearly, so that I am writing here yesterday. What it is, children? Yesterday. Okay, now coming to the future. Future means what? What will happen next minute? What happens? That is future. Means we don't know. Yes, that is tomorrow. What happens tomorrow? We can tell, children. We can't tell. That is the future. Understood, children? Present, past, future. Simply you can remember by this. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Today means present. Yesterday means past. Tomorrow means future. Understood, children? This is about the tenses. Now, in this we are having simple present, simple past and simple future. Okay, children, what is the simple present, simple past? We will see now. For example, see first we will see about the examples here. Present, past, future. Present is what we can tell. I live in Chennai. I live in Hyderabad. Like this. Okay, past tense. We traveled to Bangalore. We traveled to Hyderabad. Traveled. That is past. Future. We will visit Delhi. We will visit Delhi. We will visit Charminar. That is past. Future tense. That is future tense. Means we are writing here we will. Will. We are using will. Means what? It happens. We will go tomorrow. Like this. Yes, children. See here. Now in this simple present. What is simple present? We will have the rules also for this. Yes, children. First we will see the rule. Simple present. What is the simple present rule? Subject plus base verb. Base verb. In the base verb, we will add yes or es plus object. Subject means what? The noun. About what we are talking. Yes, base verb means what the subject is doing. Object means the remaining. Yes, you can tell as subject and object will be noun. And the base verb, which is the verb is doing. Okay, children. Now see here we can tell I play with my friends every day. See, I play with my friends every day. Here I will be subject, play will be the verb, base verb, and object will be the my with my friends every day. Okay, children, like this it will be there. See here, where the verbs in the tensor shows habits and ideas that apply in general or as a rule. Okay, children. Now here what you will tell, plays, goes, sings, dances we will use. I said no. But when the words, the auxiliary verbs, it is there, no, helping verbs will be there, no. Yes, that also will change in the past form. And before that, here SES is there. We will add, I said. But we will not add that. In some cases, we will not add that. Well, how? When the subject will be we, okay, they, I, yes, when the subject will be like this, we will not add the verb for the verb yes or es. Understood, children? This is about the simple present tense. Simple present tense means what? The verbs in this tense tells the shows ideas, habits that apply in the general rule. Okay, what is the general rule here? Plays, goes, sings, dances means subject, base verb means for the base verb we will add s or es and the object. Okay, children. Now coming to the simple past. What it is? Simple past. What is the simple past rule? See here. Subject plus past form of verb. Past tense of verb and object. Past tense of verb. Now here I said play. I said here play. Here when we will add ed, then it becomes past form of verb. Past tense of verb will be played. Here see, I played with my friends. I played with my friends. Here I said, I play with my friends. Here I said, I played with my friends. This is the difference between simple present and simple past. Here we will add the past form of verb. Here we will just base verb we will write and we will add s or yes. When the subject will be we, they, I, you will not add the s or es for the verbs. Remember this, children. And see here, next, simple future tense. What is the simple future tense? It refers to the action that will happen in future. That will happen in future. Here, what is the rule? Simple future rule. Subject plus, what you will add here? Will we will add here. Will plus, what you will add, children? Base verb plus object. What I said here, I play with my friends. I played with my friends. Here, I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. Understood, children? We will write like this. This is about simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Okay, children? Once again, I am telling you, see, simple present tense. Subject, base verb. It is added, for the base verb, we will add s or es plus object. Coming to the simple past tense. Simple past tense means what? We will use subject, past tense of a verb. It means played. Example, played, danced. Like this we will use. Okay, plus object. Coming to the simple future tense. What is about the simple future tense? Subject plus here one more it is added. That is will. W-I-L-L, will. Plus base verb plus object. Understood, children? Subject, will plus base verb plus object. This is simple future tense. Understood, children? Till here you have understood? Here, present means today. Past means yesterday. Future means tomorrow. This is for your reference only. You can remember easily. For that sake, I am telling you, I am giving the example today, yesterday, tomorrow. Okay. And we have learned simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. What is the example here for the simple present tense? I will play with, simple present tense. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. Simple past tense. I played with my friends. I played with my friends. Simple future. I will play with my friends. I will play with my friends. Understood, children? Till here you have completed. Now we are going to learn about the past tense, past continuous tense, present continuous tense. Okay, children? See here, before going into that, simple present, simple past, simple future, I will give some more examples. We go for a walk every morning. We went for a walk last morning. We will go for a walk tomorrow morning. Like this, the simple present, simple past and simple future will be done. Okay children, now next we are going to learn about the past continuous tense. We will finish full explanation first. After that we will go into the our exercises. Okay children, what it is? Present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay children, open it. See here children, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe action that are taking place now. What it is children? Present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are taking place now. Means what? Which are going now. Means children are playing in the garden. Yes children. Here see subject. What is the rule here? In the present continuous, you should use first subject. And next is, am, are. These are the auxiliary verbs. What are the auxiliary verbs? Means helping verbs. Plus ing form of verb. Plus object. Ing form of verb. Now I said here, children are playing in the garden. See here children. Children are playing in the garden. Okay children. See here. Now here children is a subject, or I said no, here this is the auxiliary verb, ing form of verb and the object. Okay children, this is what present continuous means. What they are playing now. They are playing now. So it is present continuous means they are doing the work. See ing form, when we are adding ing form, then it is the present continuous tense. In front of ing form, we will use is, am, are. These are the present auxiliary verb, present form. So we are adding this and we are writing that it is called as present continuous tense. And coming to the past continuous tense, which were going on at the particular time in the past tense, which were going on. Means what? How to form the sentence in the past tense? What you will do? You will use was or were. What will use was or were in the ing form. See here. Same children. Here I will write were. Children were playing in the garden. In this time, yesterday what they were doing? Or children were playing in the garden. Means what? Today we are telling in this time what they were doing yesterday. Like that when you are explaining, that is past continuous tense. Children were playing in the garden. We will use here were with you, we, they and plural nouns. Okay children. Use was with I, she, it and singular nouns. Here what you will use? First remember that. See here. Now when we will use is, when you are using is, with which you will use he, she, it, we will use is. Singular nouns. When we are using plural forms, are, we should use with you, we, they and plural nouns. Okay children. See here. Here also use was. Was, you should use the was with the I, he, she. I, he, she. We will use was. And were we will use you, we, they and plural form. For the singular nouns we should use was. For the plural nouns we should use were in the past continuous tense. And in the present continuous tense, in the singular nouns we will use is, and the plural nouns we will use are. Understood children? This is that. Now coming to the present continuous and past continuous. Have you understood children? Present continuous means what? It is going on. Now what it is? Present, it is running. Children are playing in the garden. What are the children are playing? Now they are playing, yes? Yes, like that. See, the past continuous means the children were playing in the garden. Children were playing in the garden means they were playing in the garden. Now they are not there, but they were playing in the garden. Then it is continuous, past continuous. Understood children? It is simple only. When you are going to, when you will go to the higher classes, you will have in the deep. Okay children? Present continuous and past continuous. Present continuous and past continuous. What is the rule? Present continuous. Subject is, am, are plus ing form plus object. Past continuous. Subject plus was or were plus ing form and plus object. Understood children? What we have learned children? Simple present tense, simple future tense, simple past tense. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. And present continuous and past continuous. Yes children, these 5 we have learned today. Okay children, now the remaining topic we will learn tomorrow. complete. Everyone read that from your workbook and understand it. Okay, children? Everyone will do that? Do it.